Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Diabetic Toolbox, where we are on a mission to end type 2 diabetes one family at a time through education, support, and empowerment. I'm your host, Renee Reed, emotional eating and diabetes lifestyle coach and yoga teacher. And on this show, I share tools and tips to help you lose weight and manage your blood sugar without a restrictive diet or spending hours a day in the gym. Today is our time to relax and reconnect. Happy Wednesday. This is a gentle yoga practice for peace and balance, and I have a really great meditation to help you calm the stress of the day and focus on the good things that are in your life, namely that you showed up today for yourself. So, grab your earbuds, roll out your mat, and let's get started. We'll start in a seated position. I find that doing a little bit of movement before meditation helps me to calm down and reset my focus. So come to a comfortable seat on your mat. You can cross your legs, or if it's more comfortable, extend your legs into staff pose, whatever feels best for your body. If your legs are extended, flex your feet. This will help you feel a little more stabilized as we go through this movement. Seated side stretch. So, place your left hand on the mat beside you. And as you inhale, sweep your right arm over towards the sky. Exhale and gently lean to the left. Create space along the right side of your body. Relax your shoulders down. Relax the muscles in your face. We'll stay here for 3 breaths. You relax. I have the count. With each inhale, I want you to lengthen through your spine. And as you exhale, just soften deeper into the stretch. So inhale through the nose and exhale. And inhale and exhale. And once more, inhale and exhale. And let's return to center and switch sides. So place your right hand on the mat beside you. And as you inhale, sweep your left arm up towards the sky. Exhale and gently lean to the right, creating that yummy space along the left side of your body. And to balance out, let's do 3 breaths here. I have the count. So inhale and lengthen through the spine. Exhale, soften deeper into the stretch. Inhale and exhale. And once more, inhale and exhale. And slowly return to center. Take your time and let's move onto our hands and knees into tabletop position. Be sure you have a straight line from your shoulder to your wrists and from your hips to your knees. If your knees are gentle, if they need a little bit of love, you can put a towel under your knees or fold your yoga mat to give you that extra cushion. We're going to move through a few cat and cows. So on your inhale, let your belly drop to the floor. Lift your chest and your tailbone towards the sky. This is cat. I'm sorry, this is cow. On your exhale, round your back and tuck your chin towards your chest. Relax your neck. This is cat. And we're going to move slowly, following your breath. We'll inhale to open your heart and exhale, release. And we'll do this for 5 breaths. Now, don't worry, I have the count. So inhale, let your belly drop to the floor. And exhale, release and round your back. Inhale through your nose. And exhale through your nose. And inhale. And exhale. Let your spine feel open and really let your body relax with the breath. 2 more. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. That's beautiful, beautiful. Come back to your comfortable seat and rest your hands gently on your lap. Now take your time, move with intention. If it feels safe, you can close your eyes. If not, just lower your gaze. I want you to take a big inhale through the nose and then exhale everything out through the mouth. Once more, inhale and exhale. Very nice. So I want to read something to you. It is our affirmation for today, and it's something that my grandmother used to say to me all the time. You are more blessed than you know, and you're stronger than you think. You are more blessed than you know, and you are stronger than you think. Inhale, you are more blessed than you know. Exhale, you are stronger than you think. Inhale and invite peace and balance. And with every exhale, release stress and tension and anything else that you no longer need. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. You are stronger than you think. And exhale. And more blessed than you know. Take a moment and feel the gratitude wash over your body. You know, the beautiful thing about gratitude is that it doesn't mean that life is great, that your family is great, or your job is great. But in this moment, we are grateful because we have been able to move our body, connect with our breath, and join the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of friends across the world that are doing this exact same thing with you. We have gratitude because we know we are not alone. All right, my friend, you know that when you're focusing on mindful movement, remember that mindful eating also helps to reduce those cravings. And if you want to support that from the kitchen side, then grab the free Crave Buster guide and audio overview. It is a 3-day sugar reset that goes hand in hand with today's yoga practice. You can click the link in the show notes to get your free copy today. And if you want a picture of the poses that we did today, you can head over to the blog at thediabetictoolbox.com. I want you to know that you are enough. Thank you for joining me today for this gentle practice. And please share it with someone you love. Until next time, my friend, take care of yourself and each other. Namaste.